Hello, good afternoon. See, first of all, I don't know the Marathi language, but still I know kind of like I can understand. Okay, but sir came and told all of these things. I really felt appreciated underneath, and I was like felt very motivated. And the way he was expressing everything, like we have to do something, we have to have a goal. That is the most important thing we need to keep in our mind. And then what I understood, all of this conversation, no one is no one is ignored or no one is getting affected or getting distracted, because everyone has something in your mind. Like you need to, or you want to do something. You want to become a man who does not get forgettable. You want to get remembered by everyone. So for that we need to do something. We need to get forward. We need to get a very good goal. That what I got from the sir, and I felt very appreciated. And what I appreciate and what my father says, my father always says that Maharashtra is the only state where you will get the love. The love where you get from the Maharashtra, that my father says always, and that's why I always support Maharashtra. I also, the important thing, I am not from Maharashtra, but our family is going to shift in the Maharashtra. We are going to live in the Maharashtra, and I have this thing that I am gonna live forever in this, in our families also. So thanks a lot for all of these things, and this college attends all of these sessions and meetings. We need to support, and I always support, and I felt very appreciated. Thanks a lot.